This is the Bell Poke women's V-neck summer blouse. I got it in this beautiful black and white floral. Absolutely loving how it fits. I'm a mid-sized woman in my late 30s, trying to dress a little bit nicer when I feel like it, not just wear sweatpants and sweatshirts. This shirt is so beautiful. It's a size medium. I'm typically between a medium and large in shirts, and then I wear a size 6 in pants. So I just have it paired with some crop jeans, and I have it tucked in because I love the tucked in look. I just feel like it elevates the outfit when you're wearing jeans. You can also have it tucked out like this. So here's the shirt from the front, the side, and the back. I'm tucked back in because I love how that look is, and I just feel so put together. I love the sleeves here because they are stretchy. So if I'm wearing a sleeve that's fitted on the arm, it has to be stretchy. It's got this cute little V-neck with these little button details right here. Thank you so much, Bell Poke, for sending this to me for my honest review. If you are looking for a beautiful spring summer shirt that's nice and flowy and is so comfortable, I would definitely recommend this one.